Ever dreamed of your own private Florida estate? This is 1676 Hermosa Dr. Lot 100, Palm Harbor, FL 346X83. It's listed for sale at $1,998,500. No bathrooms here. This is raw land. 0 parking spaces too. You get 4.1874 acres, basically 4.2 acres MOL. Think big. An executive single-family home on one premier lot. Look, the site's private. Mature trees and park-like landscaping. The feel? Secluded but close to everything important. You can add a pool, tennis court, gardens, or a hobby farm. County-friendly zoning allows one large farm animal and poultry. So yeah, off-the-grid options are totally possible here, yet you're still just blocks from business parks and restaurants. And just a short drive to downtown festivals and award-winning beaches. Major routes nearby: Altaturk, 19, Belcher Road, and Tampa Road. Easy access to Tampa International Airport and city entertainment. Recent work has already been done on the property. The older structures were demolished and selective clearing completed. They refurbished and repaired the asphalt driveway along the easement. A recorded ingress-egress driveway easement across 3 parcels is in process. The Hermosa entrance now has a private Y driveway layout. New fencing was installed and a neighboring gate is underway. Important history: Lot 100 was combined with Lot 500 in 2015. That created a 2-structure, roughly 6-acre parcel back then. The owners restored Lot 100 to its original boundaries for this sale. They removed the older home, leaving the current 4.2 acres. There's a cleared building pad area in the X flood zone at the south end. The north end shows a slightly larger X500 flood zone on today's maps. Heads up, water collects at the north end during the rainy season. The west neighbor maintains an intermittent pond nearby. There's an unimproved right-of-way on the north end, per Pinellas County. That row reportedly has utility connections, but buyers should verify. A county culvert crosses toward the neighbor's pond. Owners should keep that culvert clear. It's important long-term. Imagine designing one exclusive executive home on this very site. The surrounding neighborhoods already feature substantial high-value homes. This is a generational asset opportunity. Rare land like this matters. Private tours are available on request. I can show you around. Remember, property type is lot, listing status for sale, price $998,500, lot size 4.1874 acres. Bathrooms, 0, parking spaces, 0. To be honest, this one doesn't come around often in Palm Harbor. If you've been hunting for privacy, space, and long-term value, stop scrolling. Call or message to schedule a private tour. Let's walk the acreage together. I'll help answer questions about easements, the culvert, and county notes. No fluff. Just one incredible 4.2 acre chance at 1676 Hermosa Doctor. Ready to imagine your estate here? Hit the message button now.